YouTube. So today we're doing another unboxing video. Came in the post today, so I thought I'd open it with you today. So it's been transported all the way from China. Just bought it off eBay, so let's open it up. There you go. It's a tripod. Thought I'd use it when I'm doing my vlogging, like that. It's a right thing. So you can just basically hold it like that, and kind of like vlog like that. You can do it like that. I've watched people hold it like that, and you can basically wrap it around something. So I'm going to show you. So I'm going to wrap it. So I'm going to wrap it around this. Hang on. Came in the post today. I thought it was going to be bigger than this, but yeah, it's still good. Yeah, I think it's really good. So yeah, please subscribe, leave a comment down below. I will leave this in the description below if you want something like this, or you want something a bit bigger. I am going to buy something a bit bigger, something to hold it proper. So yeah, so please subscribe, leave a like, comment down below if you like the video and want to do more unboxing videos. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye. This is what it looks like with me holding this now. I think it's a great thing, and you can put it down on something and it will. It's got a three-legged thing. You can basically like that and like that. I think it's awesome. Yeah. So you can basically something like that. I'm gonna go to here. It stands up. I think it looks bloody awesome. I think it looks awesome. Yeah, so I will leave this in the description below, and when you buy one, you can check it out. So yeah, please subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below if you did enjoy this video, and leave a like. Thanks very much.
I'm the strongest motherfucker in the world, bitch!